What's the weather? Boom! So as you guys saw, we finally got Google Assistant for the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic. Best of all, this works hands-free. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Currently in Flowers, it's 70 degrees and partly cloudy. Tonight.
Well, my other Google Assistant over there answered it, but as you guys saw, it does react to your voice as well. Now, to download it, it is super simple. What you want to do is go ahead and go into your Google Play Store, and then you want to search up Assistant or just type in Google Assistant. It should be the very first one you want to hit. You want to click on it, you want to install it. It'll ask you some few security questions. It'll ask you to open it up on your phone, and then you just want to click yes to all. If you do agree, if you don't agree, you can't have it. Oh well. Now, if you want to actually remap it to the Bixby button, so Bixby finally goes away for good, all you want to do is go ahead and go into your settings. Then you want to scroll down and then select advanced features. Scroll down some more, customize keys, and on the press and hold, it'll normally be on Wake Bixby, but you just want to set it to Assistant. No, Bixby, go away, stop listening. And then you want to set it to Assistant, and then you can finally use Google Assistant just as, like I said, just as the Pixel Watch. You basically have a Pixel Watch on your wrist without the Pixel Watch even being out. What is the tallest building in the world? So this is kind of how it will look like. Very nice, actually. It'll give you not even the first one, but it'll also give you the second one, the third one, the fourth one. And then I assume if you click on it, it should give you more details. Oh, it says sent to phone. So yeah, it actually does give you some slight details. Then if you want more details, you just simply tap on it. It'll send it to your phone. And then you just unlock your phone. And then it'll go ahead and Google Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. So, boom. It's awesome. You have an entire ecosystem of Galaxy, but kind of like not Galaxy. It's kind of like Google Pixel. Anyway, if this video helped you out, I'll definitely appreciate a subscribe, a like, a share. Share this video with your dog, with your cat, with your mom, dad, sister, brother, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend. You know the drill. And if you guys have any questions, do let me know down below. This was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.